Mom, I'd like to ask you a question.
Sure.
You look like a little Swedish girl. Could you tell me something in Swedish? Can you make it up? If you had to talk Swedish to somebody, tell me what you would say.
I got fish and license. I can't do it.
Just make up something.
I don't know how to do it.
Well, either do I, but say vonka, zinka, lonka, bonka.
What now?
Just make something up. Do you know how to sing Ya Mohaliva?
Oh, Mom.
No.
Can you sing the spider song?
Oh,
It's Halloween. Okay, sing the spider. Come up into my parlor.
come up into my parlor, said the spider to the fly. 'Tis the prettiest little parlor that ever you did spy. The way into my parlor is up a winding stair, but I have many curious things to show you when you're there. Oh, no, said the little...
Wait, let me see the oh, no, no, no.
Oh, no,
Oh, no, said the little fly, to ask me is in vain, for who goes up your winding stair will never come down again.
Very good.
End of story.
Oh,
That's very good.